Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm gonna show you how you can change your PayPal currency or default currency on your PayPal account. So once you're on the main page of PayPal, on the main menu right here, and logged into your PayPal account, you should press on or click on Wallet next to Send a Request right here on this blue bar. Once you've clicked on your wallet, you can see right here your balance, um, transfer funds, and on these are my current currencies. And as you can see right here, I have the option to add a currency. So I'm gonna click on that, and here I have multiple options to add to my account. Let's say I want to add Canadian dollars. Yes, I click on it, I select it, and press add currency. Once I've done that, I added a Canadian currency to my account, and from here on I can press this little button with three dots to make that certain currency my primary currency, and you can switch them around as much as you like, and set any currency that you want as your primary currency. And that's all there is to it, guys. It's really simple. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.